Hey guys, Orange Juice here. Today we're going to be breaking more laws by giving the everyday citizen access to a throwable grenade in Minecraft, and this is really fun because you can spam click it and wreak a lot of havoc. As you can see, I've already I've already done that right here, and yeah, it's pretty scary. You know, you could kill a lot of people really quickly. So I'll show you how to do that. It's actually extremely simple. You just need to know how to use scoreboards and tags, and it just uses 7 command blocks. It could actually be shorter, but I did this for readability, and it'll be fun. So I'll walk you through it. Basically, I have a scoreboard, so let me remove this scoreboard. I have a scoreboard that detects when a player throws a snowball. So we're going to do objectives add, and then I named it to threwsnowball, but it can be whatever you want. And then minecraft.used minecraft.snowball. Alright, and let me turn this off really quick. So if I set the display, oops, threwsnowball, then you can see that as I throw the snowballs, then the counter goes up. So we're going to be using that. Let me reset. Um, Let me reset that. All right. So basically, let me create a little more space here. We're going to get a command block and then set to repeat, and then you're going to basically tag the person who threw a snowball. So tag all players, and then scores through snowball equals, and then we're going to do 1 dot dot. So greater than or equal to 1, and then we're going to add. Let's see, throwing. So there's that. But basically, I want to make it so that only I can. This will activate if I'm holding a snowball that says grenade, or the name is grenade. And you can do that really easily by adding an MBT qualifier right here. So you can do selected item, and then you can actually check what thing you're holding by doing the command data get entity at s and then selected item. And you can see that I have like all this text right here: ID Minecraft Snowball, name, text, grenade. So let's go ahead and let's try to add this. So we're going to do ID Minecraft Snowball, and then as you saw back here, you can see it has tag, display, and name. So we're going to have to add all of that in here: tag, display, name, and then in here we have to have brackets. Let's take a look at it. Text grenade. Alright. Text colon in quotes again grenade. And let's capitalize the G. So we threw that, and then let's get our tag, and boom, it worked. So now we have the tag throwing, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to run all these commands off of the person whose tag is throwing. So let's go ahead and add another command block, and we're going to do execute at all players with the tag of throwing, and then we're going to summon a TNT, prime TNT, formerly called, and then in you can use these tildes for relative positioning, so at the player, and actually we're going to have it 2 blocks above the head, and that will, I guess that will give it more range, and I don't know, it's more of a preference thing. And then in these brackets you can type fuse to change the duration of the tag. Alright, back to business. I still have the tag throwing, so it will continuously summon this. But, oh man. Basically we're gonna have to reset everything over here. Let me just turn this on. Let's see. So after that, we're going to give the motion from the snowball into the prime TNT, which is also very easy. So we're going to do the same thing. Execute at all players with the tag throwing, and then we're going to modify the data of the nearest TNT. Type equals TNT, limit equals 1, sort equals nearest, and then we're going to do motion set from, and then this is going to be an entity. All entities type equals snowball, limit equals 1, sort equals nearest. And then also add the motion, that's the source path, and so it'll transfer all the motion from the snowball and it will put that into the TNT, which is excellent news. That's how you get the motion, that's where the magic is. And then we're going to kill the snowball after that. So we're going to do /kill or execute at all players with the tag of throwing, and then run kill all entities, type equals snowball, limit equals 1, sort equals nearest. Alright, so that's that, and that's good. And then we have to remove all the tags. So you know how we had the tag throwing and it continuously dropped TNT? Well, we're gonna have to remove that. But first, let's actually remove the scoreboard. If you see on the right, my through snowball is equal to 1, so we're going to do scoreboard players set all entities tag equals throwing, because we still have the tag, and we can just do this as a shortcut instead of having like scores equals through snowball equals 1 dot dot. We don't have to have that because we're already tagged, and this is the qualifier for that tag, so we don't need that. And let's see. I think I don't have the throwing tag, so it's not resetting. Hold on. Scoreboard, objectives, or players, reset fruscus through snowball. Okay, there we go. And then we can remove the tag that I have, so tag all entities with the tag of throwing, and then remove throwing. So that should remove the throwing tag after all of this is said and done. So let's actually test it out real quick. And this actually works. Let me turn this off. Alright, this is good. And we can add one more optional command block if you like. This sets the fuse to 0 if there's a block underneath the prime TNT, and that's like an impact grenade essentially. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So we're going to execute as all entities type equals TNT at the current entity, because we need to get positional data, and then we're going to do unless block right underneath the TNT. If it isn't air, then we're going to run data modify entity at s, and then we're going to do fuse, and then we're going to set from a value of 0. So let's go ahead and test that out. And of course, all these commands will be in the description if I was going a little too fast. So yeah, now you're all done, pretty much. You can throw these. Let me get a normal snowball. And you can see that it doesn't work with a normal snowball. It has to be named grenade. Actually, the counter, if you see on the right, it goes up. So you're going to have to find a way to counteract that, because whenever you switch back to a grenade, it's gonna launch a piece of TNT, which is not really what you want. So you're gonna have to find a way to fix that, but it's actually a pretty easy fix. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really have anything else right now. That was just a short, fun video. You can use this to like troll your friends or whatever, or commit mass genocide and break the Geneva Convention. Whatever you want, it's honestly fine. If it's in Minecraft, then nothing is illegal. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. If not, then well, I don't know. You can dislike. I don't really care. Alright, see ya.